Hi there everyone and welcome back to another Visart tutorial. Today we're just focused on project management and best practices for saving your dashboards as well as generating permalinks to share, whether that be internally or externally. So let's go ahead and get started. Now here we have our ongoing project, our demo HR dashboard. Now as we usually do, we can just save and that will preserve the project as is. But say we wanted to create a different version or do some version control, we'd go to Save As and title the dashboard accordingly. So let's just call this management. So I'd go ahead and save that. Under Save As, if we go to the File drop-down menu and go to Save As, we save as, name it a certain, give it a certain title, and then when we go to our main applications menu, we should see right here a different version, even though it might be the same version, a different version for management. Now, if we wanted to control, viewing privileges, we would go to the application settings menu, and here we have the title of the dashboard. We have the groups that the dashboard's assigned to. So typically you'd have here a list of departments, but I'm the only person here for the group, so I'm checked. We click Save. Now if we wanted to say indicate who on the team should be viewing this dashboard, for example, like internally as far as data management's concerned, we could select team members. I'll go ahead or we could just move everybody over since it's a small group. So the double arrow icon, we press that. We can assign read or read-write privileges. I'll give read-write privileges. For now, I'll just close, but typically once you've selected who can view the dashboard, then you click Share, close, and then also we can generate links to share, whether that be internally or externally. We have a cool option called Template where you can generate a version of your dashboard, and external viewers can then download a copy of the dashboard and edit appropriately for their own data stories. Or you can just generate a simple public link. So we'll click Public. This gives you a window to indicate, like a time and a range. It's time sensitive. So say these were just, say this dashboard was explaining, performance records, for example, like we're doing. We would be able to indicate that this is a monthly dashboard, and we'd select the range. So November 11th, and then we'd go to December 11th. And we create the link, and here we can share the permalink across different social channels, and we would be able to see that this is public. It would be indicated that it's public by this P here. So we'll go ahead and share just to show what it would look like. And here we have our public dashboard that can be shared across different social channels, and here it is in our application menu, a different version than the original ongoing project we were working on. So that's basically it in a nutshell as far as sharing and generating links to share, and also best practices for data admins to control and monitor different versions of a dashboard. So I hope that helps, and until next time, we'll get into templates a little bit later, but I just again wanted to talk about the basics. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment, reach out on social media, and definitely tune into our social media channel just to see how our writing team is integrating these dashboards for data stories. All right, until next time, thank you so much. Bye bye.